World, Bianlis here. Today I'm going to show you how to use smartphone multi-port download tool to flash your phone. First thing first, you have to make sure that your computer has installed the correct driver so it can able to detect your phone. Second thing, you have to make sure that your phone is connected with the battery. And then let's start to do it. So open the smartphone multi-port download tool first, and then load the scatter file, and then click on scan. Yes. And then plug your device. Then you can see it shows you scan success. And then unplug it. Click on start. And the system will do the checksum. After this, just replug your phone again. And the system will do the flashing process. So you just wait until this process finish. I'm gonna skip the video. Okay, one thing I want to mention that from now on, if you check in device manager, you can see the port which is the phone has been connected with the computer. So if the process is done, this port will automatically disconnected with the computer. This is normal. Okay, just skip the video. Okay, now we can see the process has been done, and it shows OK on the screen, and the device has been disconnected with the computer. So now you have learned how to flash your phone by using this software. Have a good one.